In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a Jotform document. Let's dive right in. Whether you're signing a document someone sent you or you're the one setting it up for others to sign, understanding the process can make things much smoother for everyone involved. Let's start by walking you through the steps for respondents or those who receive the document to sign. First, you'll need to open the Jotform Sign document link. This link can be sent to you via email or shared as a link by the form owner. Make sure you have this prepared before moving forward. Once you open the document, take a few moments to review the content. It's always a good idea to understand what you're signing before completing it. Next, you'll want to scroll down to the signature field. You'll encounter different types of signature fields, but don't worry, they all function to get your digital autograph safely on the document. The signature field could be a Jotform Sign e-signature field, which is directly built into Jotform Sign documents, or it might use other signature widgets like DocuSign, Adobe Sign, or Smooth Signature. Each one is designed to ensure a legally binding and seamless signing experience. After you've placed your signature in the appropriate spot, you'll click on either Done or Submit to finalize the signing process. This is an important step, as it confirms that you're genuinely agreeing to the document's terms. After you've done this, you and the form owner will generally receive an email copy of the signed document for your records. Keeping this email can be very helpful if you ever need to refer back to the document. Now let's switch gears and talk about what form owners need to do to set up signature fields in their Jotform documents. To start, open your form in the Form Builder. This is where you can manage all the elements of your form, including adding signature fields. Within Form Builder, navigate to the Widgets section in the Form Elements panel. Here you can choose from several different signature options. If you're looking for a legally binding e-signature, you can select Signature from Jotform Sign. Alternatively, you might choose from other options like e-signature, Smooth Signature, DocuSign, or Adobe Sign, depending on your needs and the signer's convenience. Once you've chosen your widget, place the signature field exactly where you want users to sign. Positioning is essential for guiding users smoothly through the document. Finally, publish your form and share it with those who need to sign. Sharing can be done via email, a direct link, or embedded directly onto your website. And there you have it. These are the steps for both respondents and form owners to efficiently manage signatures using Jotform. I hope you found this guide useful and that it makes your document signing process a breeze. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.